How you guys doing? This is Ray. So in this video, I want to discuss elastic audio. Alright, so I want to solo this track, which is Vox 02. Let's listen back. I got the sample from the sound library that comes within Pro Tools. All I did to it, I reversed it, add some EQ, and have a little bit of room going on. What I want to do, I want to stretch the end of the track a little bit more. First thing, you want to make sure that you have elastic audio turned on. Over here, you're going to see polyphonic. If you don't see that, if it looks like this, then elastic audio is off. So you're going to want to click, this drop down window is going to open, and you have a couple of options. For this track, I'm going to choose polyphonic. Also, I'm going to change waveform to warp. I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to click. And it's going to add a marker before and after. That's going to allow us to edit that specific part without affecting the rest of the audio. So let's drag this. Check that out. Now the reason it's changing color, basically Pro Tools is letting you know you're pushing it. And that's fine, as long as it sounds good. So let's listen back. Let's stretch it a little bit more. Yeah, now it's starting to sound a little weird. So I'm not done here. I'm going to continue to add elements and I'm going to continue to build. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I am using Pro Tools first. When I create these videos, a lot of people ask me, Ray, where can I get Pro Tools? Send me a link. Let me download Pro Tools. All you got to do is go to avid.com and download a free copy of Pro Tools first. Yes, there's some limitations. It's free. But those limitations aren't a bad thing. You can do a lot with this DAW. Just download it and give it a try.